guys, welcome to my channel. I am about to tell you guys something that blows my mind. I actually haven't quite processed it. It doesn't feel real. I just cannot believe that I have been given such a cool opportunity. If you don't know, I recently started a brand with my partner, and right now we are selling just lashes, amazing lashes. And for the first time, they're going to be in a store where you can physically grab them and buy them. The fact that any retail location would want to carry our product is insane. I can't believe it. But this isn't just any retail location. These little angel babies are gonna be at all of the Canada NYX Pro stores. I honestly can't even, inside my brain, I'm jumping around with excitement, but the rest of me is like in disbelief. I cannot believe that our lashes are going to be in NYX stores. NYX Professional Makeup has been so good to me. So thank you to everyone who made this happen. Since festival season is approaching, they're gonna be sold as a little capsule collection. The products that will be on display with them, that will be in a little capsule, are the Foil Play palettes, which are incredible, and the Glitter Gold lipstick. So you've got your lip, you've got your eye, you've got your lashes, and you're ready to look like you're going to a festival or actually go to a festival. This doesn't mean that you have to buy all of the products. You can buy them individually, but if you do buy all three, you will get a 20% off discount, which is pretty sweet. I hadn't actually planned on filming this, but I thought I would jump on here and let you guys know, and also do a super quick little look using the capsule collection products, the Foil Play and the Glitter Goals, and of course, my lashes. This is all happening because of you guys. Yes, you. So from the bottom of my little cold black heart, thank you. Thank you so much. So if you live in Canada or you're visiting Canada, you can go check these out in person at the NYX Professional Makeup stores. I'll also be doing a little event and a meet and greet in Vancouver, BC. So make sure you watch on Instagram to find out the details on that. I'm so excited. Oh, and by the way, it's today. They're in the stores today, now. What? Anyways, I'll stop blabbing. Let's do this cute little look. It's just the eyeshadow, the lipstick, and the lashes. It's just a little short guy, but it was super fun and super easy, so keep watching. I am gonna do a blue eye look. I've been so obsessed with blue lately. I just feel like you can wear it with anything. I'm gonna go ahead and say the blue is a neutral. First up, we've got the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I'm gonna use this really pretty aqua shade here. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. Would you call that aqua? Or is it more like a sea foam? It doesn't matter because it's pretty. I'm using the NYX 60 brush to press it in, just slowly building on more color to get the maximum amount of color payoff. Next, I'm gonna use one of the products from the collection, the Foil Play Pigment Palette in Limit Love. Luckily, I have a broken nail, so I can apply it with my finger. I'm gonna use this light blue shade here. They are so shiny. Look at that. Keeping it concentrated on the lid, but I'm also bringing a little bit of that shimmer up onto the shadow. I'm also gonna add this lighter shade here. It's like a light golden, and I'll also put that on the inner corner. I'm gonna keep this look really cute and simple. So next I'm gonna go right in and add some lashes. I'm gonna use Blissful Baby. I've already got these lashes trimmed to fit my eye, and I'm just letting the glue get tacky. If you struggle with applying false lashes, I'll leave a little link here above and you can watch the video that I made. It's super detailed and it'll make it so much easier. Don't forget to add a little bit of mascara before your lashes. I use the NYX Worth the Hype mascara. Lashes are on. Now I'm gonna do something on the lower lash line. Going back into that same blue, I'm gonna press that in on the lower lash line. And then I'm gonna use the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and put that in the waterline. Then I'll go back with my Worth the Hype mascara and add it to my bottom lashes. Next up, we're gonna add a lip from the little capsule collection. I'm gonna use the Crystal Crush glitter goals because this one is my favorite. I like to apply it in the center and then carefully using my fingers to add it to the outside of my lip to get a softer lip line. And then when it starts to dry, you can purse your lips together and pull them apart and it gets so super glittery. And that's it. Quick and easy and very cute. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you, of course, just for liking me, because none of this could have happened if it wasn't for you guys, and I really, really, really appreciate it. If you see my lashes in one of the Canadian NYX stores, please send me a picture. I would love to see. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next, and I'll see you in the next video.